how to change voice in Discord mobile. So if you want to change voice in your Discord mobile, then first check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you just need to open up your Play Store if you're on your Android, and you can open up your App Store if you're under the Apple or iOS devices. So you just need to go for the search, and once you're here on the search, you need to search for voicemod. So once you've searched here, you will have all of the applications related to voicemod. So you can simply choose any one of these applications. For example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've choose the application, you just need to go for install and install the latest version available for that voicemod. Once you've installed your voicemod on your mobile, you can open it up and set your profile. You can view all different filters for voices and videos. And what you need to do is, once you've set your profile, you just need to open up your Discord. So open up your Discord, and here you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, go for the settings, which is on the upper right. And once you're here on the settings, now here you may have an option of voice and video. So you just need to tap on voice and video. So once you tap on that, here you will have two options, which is input option and output device, right? So under the input device, you need to choose the option which is voicemod, and under the output option, you need to select the option which is headset. Now your voice will be filtered through your voice mode, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.